Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Betlab script. Recently, we have upgraded to Betlab script version 2, and then I'm going to show you how to set up the version 2.0 of the script, of your betting script. So the first thing to do is to start your server if you are configuring the script on your local host. Here I'm using my XAMPP control panel. So you start your server, hit up your email. Yeah, so you open my browser and then I have to get into the PHP admin. Then go to your local disk. Initially, you're supposed to have installed XAMPP is the server. Go to your local disk. Here in our local disk, we have HD docs and then uploaded the folder for the betting scripts here, the HD docs. So create a folder and then upload it there. Then coming back to our PHP admin, we create a database for the betting script. So here I can add a user account to my database. I can use Bet as the username, localhost, or let me pick local for my localhost, and then password. Using a password of my choice. Then I'll create a database with the same username. Then check all the privileges and then grant. Then go. So automatically we have created a username known as Bet and also a database known as Bet. Now the next thing to do is to run our details, which is the folder for the script, where the script has been uploaded. Now if everything goes successfully, then we are going to have this page. Okay, that's the installation page. Then I agree. Check all requirements. Make sure that your system passed all the requirements, the PHP version requirements. Now this latest version 2.0, works on PHP version 8.1. So make sure your system is upgraded to PHP 8.1. Even if you are working on online or cPanel, make sure it's 8.1. Then your C type extension, make sure that PD extension is all core, VIPHP is required. Then all the necessary folder that is required for permission should be granted. After that, when every requirement is met up, then you click on next. The next thing is set up your database details. My database name is Bed. My host is localhost. My username is Bed. My password. Then you set up your admin credentials. My admin username, I can use admin. My password. Then your email. You can use any email of my choice. And then I'll hit the install button. Once I hit the install button, the system start configuring the database, pushing up the system settings. You can recall that this project is done with Laravel. So Laravel uses is no migration. So the script will automatically migrate to the PHP server. So that's the progression process. Now that the system has been successfully installed, now we can go to website and then activate the script. Now we have the script activated. The next thing is to go to our folder and then delete the installation folder, which is this folder. Since it's not needed, we clean it off. Now that we have deleted it, so here is the script. Is the script. So you see that this section is purely updated. Here you can see single bed, multiple beds, Okay, so I'll make another video on how you can configure this and set up the details. But for now, let's log into the admin section and see what we have in the admin section of the betting script. You see, this is version 2.0, which is more unique, and the UI, the user interface, is purely redesigned together with the admin dashboard. So everything here has been redesigned to make it more user friendly, like a real bet. So here, yeah, this is cron job. You have to set up your cron job if you are working on the C panel online. So here you have your details and everything you need to know about the bet and script. So in the next video, I will set up the bet and you will see how to activate the bet and place your bet. This version is more easier and likely to look like the real bet that we normally see all over the place. So thank you for watching.